Here we go. Game time, about 30 seconds. We got SOPA. Oh, that's not it. So SOPA. And BCTX. BCTX. All right, let's go. See what we got brewing here. Kind of late to the market again today. Need to change up this habit, this bad habit. So don't feel well prepared. SOPA. Ooh. Nice little gap up here on SOPA. BCTX, decent move. Alright. SOPA's more in my price range here, so I might dial in on SOPA. But I want to see how it reacts to 250. There's the break of pre-market high 240. Nice. VWAP's at 216 for SOPA. Little bull trap there. Ooh, buyer at 221. Buyer getting eaten up though. Or 231, I mean. Buyer got eaten. BCTX. Ooh, BCTX is it a VWAP bounce, but the halt level was 2 cents away from VWAP, so I don't think I wanted to mess with that. VWAP bounce here again on SOPA. Yeah, so that VWAP bounce, the halt level was rapidly approaching on the bid, so that scared me away. With limited trades, accuracy has to be higher than that. It's about a 10% pop though. All right, buyers at 221. Ooh, buyers disappeared. Okay. Some trickery going on maybe? Halt down on SOPA's 185, lower bands at 183. What's going on with this one? Is it coming back from the depths? It's a way backside. SOPA getting rocked. BCTX is in kind of this range area. I'd like for that to be on front side for increased accuracy. And SOPA's now on its backside, so the only backside play that I'd be willing to take maybe is a lower band panic flush. But we'll see how much cheddar I can throw at this BCTX if it breaks highs. Not a lot. I had to break like, ooh, that was a nice little pop. And then drop. All right, halt down's at 671 now. It's 7 cents below this daily support level. So let's see what we got. Let's change our screen here real quick, see what else is popping, if anything. BCTX, SOPA. Nope, we've seen all those. I don't think I've looked at this one yet. Penny stock. Was that 109 on Friday? Are we gonna get a bear trap over here on SOPA? BCTX. I'm gonna change up my windows a little bit. BCTX. Ooh, that might have been a bear trap on BCTX. BCTX. Let's see if what this thing's gonna do. You know, that looks like there's a setting problem because this 200-day moving average was not on my window over here. So I need to get that fixed because look at this. That's a key area for SOPA, and I had no idea that was there until I just changed windows. So I need to be mindful of that. I need to look at the settings after this trading session's over. BCTX falling below VWAP. Buyer at 210 on SOPA. Let's see. All right, so highest accuracy trade here on the VWAP reclaim is going to be a break and then retest. Don't jump in on the break, kid. Don't jump in on the break. Jump in on the retest. If it doesn't retest, that's all right. Volume picking up a little bit. And BCTX is halted down. RUBN at 80% now. Okay. All right. REB, what is it? REBN. It's testing its VWAP also. Ooh, it got to 8 pre-market. REBN. Bring back SOPA. Let's take this thing. Let's see what happens near EMA if it comes back right around 550. What are we gonna do here? VWAP's right around this $6 area too. There goes 6. 6 gonna hold. This thing's gonna halt up maybe. Halt up at 617. Oh, nope. False halt. Trying again. False halt. First time, a little weak. Here we go. We got some buyers stepping in now. Lock it in. And it's locked in. Resumption. Okay, here we go. Are we going to do the dip and rip, or are we going to try for the bull trap for SOPA? Can take more share size on SOPA. But man, that has a lot of room. REBN. Okay, that's why we didn't want to take the initial move above VWAP. Needed to hold and retest. Actually, it might. What's this? 218. We gonna take out 218? Looks like there's a little bit of a hidden seller there at 218 based on the level 2 and time of sales there. A lot of green was flying at 218, but the ask was not reducing. There we go. You ain't gonna fool me, boy. Did I say, if I said hidden buyer, that was a mistake. It was a hidden seller. Hidden seller was at 218. The tape was moving quickly green. The ask was not decreasing. It means there's a hidden seller. in my non-professional, non-financial advisor opinion. All right, let's see. What do we got here? REBN is going to resume at 43.08. Oh, we're going to try the dip and rip. Resumption is showing at 2:30. Which is right around here. Okay, SOPA trying again. SOPA trying again. Need 218 to crack. No love through 218 again. 217, 218, 218. Yeah, see a lot of green flying at 218, but no love. It's not that big of a seller there. Need a big buyer to step in. Need a big buyer to step in. See if we see a big bid jump in. No love. No love. Watching the level 2 here pretty closely. Especially around that 218 area. 3 minutes for REBN. All down at SOPA's at 170. This thing looks like it's going to roll over. There's a buyer at 208. Man, bear traps are one of my favorite setups, so I'm always looking for a bear trap. All right, 2 minutes for REBN. How many shares can I even take on this? Let's see. Let's see. REBN got up to 820. 820 pre-market. So there's definitely space. Definitely space. All right, SOPA, you're doing this on very light volume. What are you trying to do here? What are you trying to show the people? The people being myself. Look, you got smacked off of 218 again. You're not fooling anybody with that low volume. But if the volume picks up, that's a different story. All right, got to get dialed in on here on REBN. High risk, high reward trade, dip and rip off the halt up. EMA isn't even above VWAP though, so need to be careful. Need to be careful here. Could definitely get flushed on. Hey, that candle held up pretty good there on SOPA. Not great volume, but held up pretty decent. Did REBN get the 10 minute? You got a 10-minute halt here? Buyers at 212 for SOPA. Oh, you dog. You dog, you dog. Oh, and I just wasted a bunch of buying power for this dip and rip too. It's okay. Try to keep it small. Oh, you dog again. That's what I was looking for on the first trade. Oh, bummer, 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 bummer. And I'm all out of buying power now. Saw that thing coming. Saw it coming, saw it coming, saw it coming. All right, so $14 loss on the day. 14 and a half. It's really unfortunate because that was a nice move. That was a real nice move. And I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough buying power to take bigger size. Oh, let's see. Let's go ahead and let the stock run its course here without us being able to trade it. Okay, let's recap this. Good strategy. Let's recap this. All right, good strategy. All right, looking for the bear trap. This whole time it dipped below VWAP. I was looking for the bear trap. Ideally, I would have liked for it to happen quicker. All right, we got a few bull traps here, and then volume picked up big time. Well, not yet. Volume hadn't picked up yet. When this green candle closed, I knew we were kind of, we were in business. So once this started popping up, 1 minute to make a new high, I hammered it. I saw green on the tape. Green was flying. So I wanted to, even though it was below 218, because I knew we were having that problem, at like 218, 220. So at least I wanted to come test this level at 218. All right, got in, got shaken out, and then it went, unfortunately. That candle went from 210 to 230. But that's all right. We lived to trade another day. Kept the loss small, $14.56. So, unfortunately, no green day to start February, but that's all right. I'm out here. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here, everybody. Peace.